Okay, want to get a final look of what I hope to be my final setup of this Corsair. I'm going to start all over, actually, from front to back. First thing I did was I swapped out the motor in ESC. I put the 650 kV motor in here. That comes stock on the P-40 and T-28. But you have to open up the motor cover here, the engine cover, to allow the motor head to stick out. I don't know if you can see. And then the amp, I upped the amp to 85 amp ZTW Mantis ESC. And this is how it sits with the Admiral 4000 pack all the way up front. I got a little stopper here to make sure the battery stays put. And the other big thing is the retracts. The retracts on the stock Corsair work fine, except the struts are way too skinny to handle the weight of this plane. And so I swapped out the retracts for the ones that come stock on the P-40. The only difference is the P-40 ones are about, I think, maybe 5 millimeters longer, and you don't have the option to put the number plate on, which I don't really care about. It's not a big deal. I just want the gears to stay straight if I have a hard landing. And I believe that's about it. And then so the next video clip will be almost like a remaiden with the new gears.